Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, hi. Okay, so today we are going to learn to make APK to make the apps so that we can bring our apps to our phone and then show to others. Okay, so for you guys, you can try to build the application within the tutorial or your project so that you can show to your customer, to your client. Okay, so let's revise back. So we have right now we have this is our main scene, which is the first scene of our apps, and then we have an AR scene. So we have an AR scene, and then we have the back button, which is going back to the first scene, and then this main menu soon, when we click let's go, it will go to the second scene, which is AR scene. So make sure that all the coding are working so that it doesn't have error in your application at your phone later on. So just check your coding first, and then let's go, and then let's go back to the back. Okay, so all scene we have two scene right now, and then Katira already told you about the video. So if the video is included in your Unity file, so just include it, it's okay. Just make sure you have a back button and the button, the scene transition between other scenes. Okay, and then if you have the animation, it's alright. So if you don't have also, it's alright. So whichever you have in your Unity file, so just go with it. So today we are going to talk about an APK file, APK, which is which is translate to the Android application package, APK. Same with the exe file, you know, exe file, which is the executable file for Microsoft Windows. So same things, but for Android we have APK, Android application package, that we're gonna install it to our phone so that it's going to be playable in our phone. Okay, so first we have an AR and main menu scene. So just one things to add, we must add the exit button, which is to exit the application to our phone. So bring your whatever picture you have, exit picture, bring to your Unity and place at the assets. So don't forget to change the texture type to the sprite. Okay, so applying. So this let's go button, just change your name to let's go. Then add another button for exit button, so just change name to exit button, and then just delete the text. So drag your button to the, so if you can see, okay, drag button to the left bottom of your application, and then enlarge it. Okay, so this button, you bring your PNG file to your sprite, and you have this beautiful exit button. And don't forget to use your rect transform at the top, all the top, this drag transform. So sorry, you can isn't very clear because white background, so I hope you can see. Alright, so rect transform is very you must correct it, because later on your phone, So if you don't rect transform it, you would see the button going there, going there, going there. Okay, so this is very important, the rect transform. So make sure your rect transform is all at the position, at the right position. Okay, so exit button, we have put the exit button. So right now go to script and then add another script, exit. Okay, so you can also use scene transition also, so better just use a new one. Right, so open exit file, script file, delete all the void update and void start. So start with public void exit application. Okay, so exit application, so don't use exit only because it will same with our file. So application dot quick, open bracket, close bracket, and then semicolon. So what is mean that if we click the exit application function, it will exit the quick button. So what if we want to know that it has exit truly, dia dah keluar, betul-betul keluar, maksudnya bila kita test kat Unity, kita tekan exit, dia betul-betul keluar. Kita tak boleh tahu kan sebab kita dalam Unity. So debug .log just type already exit. So this will pop up the debug log, so that if we click the exit application at the button, and then the log will show that we already exit, so that we know the script is working. Alright, don't forget the semicolon. So save. So exit button, just drag your exit button to your exit script to your exit button. Then this on click, apabila kita tekan, drag our exit button and then exit application. So when we play our apps, so when we click, you can see at the bottom of the Unity, you can see the debug.log already exit, so which is our script is already working. So that's all for exit script. Okay, so that after we finish all the scene, all the animation, all the video back button, all, and you have already done it, and you can use it on your application also, application with your client. So when we so now we want to build an APK. So first go to the file and then click build settings. So first you want to make sure is before that, first you want to make sure before you uploading, you want to upload your APK, you want to create your APK, first check your scene transition, which is going back, going front, okay, and then check your rect transform. So check your rect transform between all the scene. So because after we transfer it to our phones and then we find it error, we find it ada masalah, ada button lari ke apa, so akan jadi masalah. So check dulu before you upload, before you create your APK. So check your rect transform, this tiny triangle, all of the, and also your your text also has rect transform checks also. Okay, so after that, go to file and build setting, and then make sure you are Android, which is the APK. So how to know that this Android atas ni ada tulis Android, so maksudnya kita dah dalam Android punya platform. And then go to play setting, and then play setting, from right here, company name, you change your company name, which is Superb ke something lah kan, Superb company, Superb sendirian, berat Superb je lah kan, Superb. Okay, Superb, and then product name Augmented Reality 2020. Okay, so ni default icon. This is optional. If you have your icon for your apps, so this is your icon, and then if we install it on our phone, the icon will appear on top of the application, so like WhatsApp, and then you can add your own icon if you have. So this is optional. So if you don't have any icons, it will show the Unity logo. I will show it later on our on phone. Okay, so these are many things you have to consider, so I just tell you what importance before uploading your APK. So first, orientation. So just make sure that what the spec you have, specification for your apps. So portrait upside down, landscape. So if we untick the landscape, and then your apps will not landscape even the phone is landscape. So apps tu tak akan landscape pun. Bila kita toleh phone kita ke kiri ke kanan, dia tak akan landscape langsung, so dia akan kekal portrait. So if we check the landscape right and left, so it will landscape. Okay, so this is landscape, one thing to be considered. Splash, nothing. Okay, other setting. So go to other setting. So this other setting, scroll down to this package name. So make sure that com.superb.augmentedreality2020, make sure that you have changed it according to this company product and name product. Okay, so Android minimum API level, just make the minimum, so don't change to the API something, and then target API level, just make it automatic highest install. Okay, so after we all have done all this, oh yeah, don't forget, so this is okay, that's all for the project settings, which is at the play setting. And don't forget, all your scenes in your scene folder, make sure you have inbuilt setting. Okay, so if you delete it, and then you just transfer your all scene into the scene building. Okay, so after that, just click build, don't build and run, build, and then place on your desktop, test APK, test application. Okay, save, and then just wait. So we have we have the APK file. So and then this file, so you can transfer your file to your phone via, you can download it via Google Drive. You can upload it in Google Drive and then you download it, or you can transfer by cable. So I will show it afterwards. So I will end this recording, so I will continue it on my phone. Okay, so it will be, I think many of you will encounter a problem, so don't worry, I got you. Okay, so if you have a problem, so you can just at 11 o'clock just open your Google Meets and we can discuss what's the problem. Alright, so I will show you on my phone. Okay, so in my way I use the Google Drive, which is I upload it on the Google Drive and then I download it back to my Android phone, and then I'm install as always. So basically just click install. Okay, wait a minute. So if you have the pop-up which is show that enable the unknown installation from unknown source, so just tick the unknown source so that the external application can be downloaded into your apps. Okay, so just tick the unknown installation from unknown source, I think, like that. Okay, so after you have done install, so just click open. Alright, so maybe Unity. Okay, just allow it. Okay, this is your application. Okay, just let's go, and then okay, so alright, so just scan your marker and then it will pop up for sure. Okay, just check your back button and then your exit button. So exit button. Okay, so okay, for the icon, so you see that augmented reality icon. So if you have your own icon, you will change the Unity logo to what your icon uploaded. Okay, so that's it. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. See you at 11 o'clock. Okay. Okay, I forgot to tell you that if you upload it via your cable, which is you using your cable to upload your APK file to your phones, just check at the file manager, and then at the file manager you have an APK installation. Just check there. Okay, at APK installation. Alright, I'll see you at 11 o'clock. Thank you.